Did you know that the food you eat every day might be poisoning your gut? I'm not talking about just junk food. Even so-called healthy foods could be filled with hidden toxins that are quietly wreaking havoc on your digestion and making your IBS worse. You're trying to eat right, trying to feel better, but it's like every step forward comes with 2 steps back. And the worst part, most of these toxins are perfectly legal and hidden in plain sight. Today, I'm going to show you what they are, where they're lurking, and how to finally start healing your gut. Let's start with a name you've probably heard before, but may not fully understand: glyphosate. Glyphosate is the main chemical in Roundup, the popular weed killer. It's sprayed all over crops like wheat, oats, corn, and soy to help them grow faster and resist pests. Sounds fine, right? Wrong. Studies have linked glyphosate to leaky gut, inflammation, and even autoimmune disorders. If you have IBS, that means this chemical is likely irritating your gut lining even further, making symptoms like bloating, cramping, and diarrhea much worse. It's in cereals, breads, even your whole grain snacks. And here's the kicker: it's not just in food. Glyphosate has been found in water and even rain. But glyphosate isn't working alone. Let's talk about seed oils, those innocent-looking bottles of canola, soybean, and sunflower oil sitting on grocery store shelves. They're in everything: salad dressings, chips, even your favorite health bars. These oils are highly processed, loaded with omega-6 fatty acids, and oxidize easily. When you consume them, they create inflammation in your body. And inflammation is one of the biggest drivers of IBS. Think of it like this: every time you eat something fried in these oils, or a snack packed with them, you're throwing gasoline on the fire already burning in your gut. Now let's move on to the artificial stuff: preservatives, food dyes, and sweeteners. These might be the sneakiest toxins of all because they're everywhere. That bright yellow snack or sugar-free drink might seem harmless, but the chemicals that make it so appealing to your eyes or your taste buds are doing real damage to your gut microbiome. Aspartame, for example, is a common artificial sweetener that disrupts your healthy gut bacteria, which are crucial for digestion and overall gut health. And food dyes. Many of them have been linked to inflammation and allergies, which can trigger IBS flare-ups. So, how do you protect yourself? It might seem overwhelming when these toxins are hiding in so many places. But the good news is, there are simple steps you can take. First, go organic whenever possible. Organic foods are grown without glyphosate, so choosing organic grains, fruits, and vegetables is one of the best ways to reduce your exposure. Next, ditch those processed seed oils and swap them for healthier alternatives like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or even grass-fed butter. These fats are nourishing for your body and far less inflammatory. When it comes to the artificial additives, the best thing you can do is read labels. Look for snacks and drinks with short, simple ingredient lists. If you can't pronounce an ingredient or it sounds like it belongs in a chemistry lab, skip it. Replace artificially sweetened drinks with herbal teas or naturally flavored water. For snacks, choose whole foods like fresh fruit, nuts, or homemade treats. And detoxing your system is key. Start by drinking plenty of clean, filtered water to help flush out toxins. Adding detoxifying foods to your diet, like cilantro, parsley, and lemon, can help your body eliminate harmful substances. Supplements like activated charcoal or bentonite clay can also support your body's detox pathways, but make sure to consult with a professional before starting anything new. The truth is, you have more control than you think. The food industry isn't going to change overnight, but you can make choices that put your health first. By being aware of what's going into your body, you can reduce the toxic load on your gut and give it the chance to heal. Imagine waking up without bloating, without cramping, and with the energy to take on your day. That's possible, and it starts with small, consistent changes. So, what's your next step? Look at what's in your pantry right now. Start with just one swap. Maybe it's replacing your cooking oil or switching out your snacks. One change leads to another, and before you know it, you're building a lifestyle that supports healing. Your gut is the foundation of your health, and it deserves your care. By removing these hidden toxins and focusing on nourishing clean foods, you're not just managing IBS, you're taking your power back. Healing starts with awareness, and now you have the knowledge to make it happen. You've got this. And if you're looking for more guidance, make sure to follow along. I'm here to support you every step of the way.